Good morning, eighth grade. Welcome to the first week of B Learning, B Day E Learning. It's crazy. I hope you guys are doing well. I want to apologize for canceling out the Zoom today, but I have another meeting in the county. So I want to walk you through the process of what I want you to do here in the next 2 weeks. Now, this is a 2 week assignment. So the idea is that you should spend about an hour per week on on your UARAs, and since this is a A-Day B-Day class, this should be a 2 week assignment. Some of you might remember before the EverFi site. This is the one where we did that e-learning stuff. Some of you did it, some of you unfortunately did not, and you earned 50%. We're going to do another unit on the EverFi site, and I want to show you how to create your account. Some of you already have the account created, but I want you to create a new account. This is the announcement I'm going to post up. I have not hit it to actually load it up yet, but this is the instruction. So whenever we create our new account, we want to add the letters eLearn before. I'll just walk you through that process here. Oh, wrong window. So we want to come down here, follow the link from Google Classroom, click the word register. Registration code is in the announcement on Google Classroom. I just had it copied so I can just paste it. We're going to run through. I'm just going to make a fake account here, kind of like a dummy account, just because. Tom Young. I'll use my real last name. So here's where it gets crazy. I want you to add ELEARN and then your student ID number to create the account. So I'm just gonna make up one here for Tom Young, and then I'm also going to just make up a password. For this case, I'm just gonna type in 1 2 3 4 5 6. Same password again. Uh-oh, I messed up. Same password, 2 3 4 6. There we go. Just click show password. We're good. And we're going to click next. And what you're going to see is that it says now created an account for us with two options. What you're going to be working on is the ASME Inspire. This is a unit about STEM careers. Now, you guys have should have previously completed the unit on internet safety, which is what 7th grade is now doing. But this is about STEM careers, same kind of format, same kind of idea, just a little bit different topic. So if you have questions about how to create that account or how to use the program, please let me know. I will be available most of the day today. Today is Tuesday the 14th. I'm sorry, Tuesday the 14th, because it says on my computer. Tuesday the 14th, I'll be available all day. Now, there's two ways you can get a hold of me. The first way is to use the Zoom chat feature. The Zoom chat feature is on the left hand or across the top of your menu bars in the Zoom app. There is chat. Now, it's not actually chatting in a meeting, but this is a separate chat feature. So you're going to go to contacts, and you're going to search my name, Eric Young. And then you will see these are conversations that I've had with other people in the past. It will allow you to message me. So there's two applications I have open. It's the Zoom chat all the time and my county email. My county email is YOUNGER. It's just my username. And you guys are welcome to reach out to me either way. I'll be available most of the day on one of those two platforms. What I don't want you to do is I don't want you to post comments to Google Classroom. It's not necessarily that I don't want you to do that, but it's not a platform that I check. It's not something that I monitor constantly. So keep that in mind as you're going through. So do not add comments to my announcement on Google Classroom. I'm not even sure if I have the settings allowed for you to do that. But do not do that. Use the Zoom chat feature or email. All right, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Remember, I'll be available all day today and most every day from about 10 o'clock on until about 4 o'clock on either the Zoom chat or the email. Have a great day, guys.